In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host on Hostinger. Whether you're launching your first website or migrating an existing one, Hostinger offers a straightforward and efficient way to get your site up and running quickly. Let's dive in and explore the process step by step to ensure a smooth hosting experience. First things first, you'll want to set up an account if you haven't already. Head over to Hostinger's main page and look for the Sign Up section, usually at the top right corner of the screen. You'll need to enter your email address and create a secure password. Once you've completed this, you'll receive a confirmation email. Make sure to verify your account through the link provided. This step is crucial as it ensures your account is ready for use and fully set up to handle your hosting needs. With your account confirmed, the next step is to log in and choose a hosting plan that suits your needs. Hostinger offers a variety of plans, ranging from basic shared hosting to more advanced options like VPS hosting. Consider the size and expectations of your website when making your choice. For a beginner, a shared hosting plan is often sufficient, providing an affordable and reliable option to start with. Remember that you can always upgrade as your site grows. Once you've selected your plan, it's time to purchase and register your domain if you don't already have one. You can do this through Hostinger as they offer a domain registration service. Having your domain and hosting with the same provider simplifies management and avoids the hassle of dealing with multiple platforms. It's like having all your digital tools in one toolbox, neatly organized and easy to access. After securing your domain and plan, you'll want to set up your website. Head to the control panel, which is user-friendly and intuitive. Look for the auto-installer feature, an excellent tool for those who need to set up applications like WordPress. It greatly simplifies installation, allowing you to have WordPress up and running in just a few clicks. This is especially useful if you're eager to start customizing your site without delving into complex technical details. With WordPress or your chosen platform installed, you can start customizing your website. Spend some time exploring themes and plugins that align with your vision. This is your chance to make your website truly yours, reflecting your style and meeting your specific needs. Finally, remember to regularly back up your website. Hostinger provides easy options for creating backups, a vital practice to protect your work from unforeseen issues. Regular backups ensure your website can be quickly restored in case of an unexpected event, offering peace of mind and security. And that wraps up our tutorial on how to host on Hostinger. By following these steps, you've set the foundation for a successful website. Thank you for watching, and happy hosting!